In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a document, a design that you have made in Canva in PDF. So let's say we have this document that we've just created. It's a little bit of a post or a blog post content. You can see everything was written using the magic write feature of Canva. So whether this or any design that you have made, in order to export it in PDF, all you need is to come to share over here, and then you can come to download. You specify the format file type here. For this case, you have PDF standard, and then the size is A4, which is the default, and you can go ahead and click on download. And as you can see, the document has been downloaded in PDF. You can click and you can open and see everything is in PDF. This is applicable to any design that you have, whether it is a thumbnail that you have designed. For example, this thumbnail, all you need is to come to the design, the chef button here, go to download again, and then specify, okay, these are the range of formats that you can download. For example, we go to PDF, specify the page, let's say current page, say done, and then come down and say download. This is going to give you this result in PDF as explained. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.